Update for this 1978 FJ40 Land Cruiser. It's in the process of being torn down for paint. The frame is going to be painted as well. Body's going to come off. It's going to be a full off-the-body painting. What else here? Oh yeah, the floors. You're here to see that here in a second. The floors, they're even worse than I thought. But that's okay. They're getting replaced here shortly. And you'll see right here, the driver's side, it's pretty bad. But that is to be expected. This car was in the Rust Belt in the United States, and there would be nothing left. But there's the update for the 1978, the 1982 story, and update for that one will be here shortly. And that's it for the less than 1 minute update for this FJ40 1978 Land Cruiser.